Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete recordings from your Ezviz camera. Before you continue, keep in mind that this process permanently deletes your saved videos. Once the recordings are removed, they cannot be recovered. First, open the Ezviz app on your phone. After the app loads, you will see all your connected cameras on the home screen. Tap on the thumbnail of the camera you want to manage. Once the camera opens, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon to open device settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option called Storage Status. Tap on it to continue. Now select Memory Card. This section shows information about the SD card installed inside your Ezviz camera. To remove all recordings stored on the memory card, tap on Reformat. The app may ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm the action, and the camera will begin formatting the memory card. This process permanently clears all footage stored on the internal memory card. If you also use Ezviz Cloud Play or Cloud Storage, you can delete cloud recordings as well. Go back to the same settings area and select Cloud Play or Cloud Storage, depending on the version of your app. Next, tap on Recording Settings. Inside this section, look for the option called Delete Video Clips. Tap on Delete Video Clips to remove all cloud recordings at once. Confirm the deletion if the app asks for confirmation. After the process is complete, all selected recordings will be removed from your Ezviz account. Thanks for watching.